Nobel Prize-winning economist warns governments may pay billions if stablecoins collapse. Stablecoins. Tirole cautioned that while retail investors see stablecoins as safe deposits, failing reserves could turn them into losses requiring government bailouts. Crypto reporter Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 5 hours ago. Tirole, a Nobel Prize-winning economist, has warned that weak oversight of stablecoins could one day leave governments footing multibillion-dollar bailouts if the tokens unravel during a financial crisis. In an interview with the Financial Times, Tirole said he was very worried about how stablecoins are supervised. He cautioned that a loss of confidence in their reserves could spark a rush of withdrawals, undermining the peg to traditional assets. Stablecoins such as those issued by Tether and Circle are digital currencies pegged to real-world assets like the US dollar. They are usually backed by reserves that include cash, treasury bonds, or other securities. Growth projections range from $500 billion to $3.7 for stablecoins. Global use of stablecoins has already grown to about $284 billion. Analysts at Citi forecast the market could expand to $1.6 trillion by 2030, with an optimistic scenario pushing it as high as $3.7 trillion. A bearish view suggests growth could stall near $500 billion. Meanwhile, the U.S. Treasury projects the market could reach $2 trillion by 2028. Tirole, who won the Nobel Prize in Economics in 2014 and teaches at the Toulouse School of Economics, said retail investors often view stablecoins as a perfectly safe deposit. Yet he warned they could quickly become a source of losses and trigger government rescues if reserves falter. Falling reserves may trigger a run on tokens. He pointed to the drawbacks of holding U.S. government bonds, a common reserve asset for stablecoin issuers. Yields on treasuries have at times turned negative once adjusted for inflation, making them unattractive to issuers seeking higher returns. That search for better performance could tempt issuers to shift into riskier assets, Tirole said. Such a move would heighten the chance of losses in reserve portfolios, potentially sparking a run on the tokens. In that scenario, stablecoins could fall below their peg to sovereign currencies, further eroding confidence. Tirole warned that stablecoins could also lose their value. Effective oversight requires resources and incentives. Tirole. Both retail and institutional investors suffered losses. Governments would face mounting pressure to intervene, he added. Over recent decades, only a small number of uninsured depositors in traditional banks have borne losses, the Economist noted. This history, he argued, raises expectations that governments would again step in to prevent savers from being wiped out. The Economist said these risks could be contained if supervisors had enough resources and incentives to act diligently. However, he doubted whether that standard was being met, citing the political and financial interests of some members of the U.S. administration in crypto. The debate comes as stablecoins continue to anchor much of global crypto trading. Supporters see them as essential for bridging fiat and digital finance, while critics worry about the lack of transparency and the potential burden on taxpayers if a collapse occurs. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Cardano and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. BlackRock offloads millions in BTC after weekly buys. Market manipulation or routine rebalance. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Trump to launch $40 billion WLFI token. September 1 Ethereum price prediction. Joseph Lubin confident in a 100x rally and a BTC flippening. Press releases. XRP holders gain new opportunities every day through blockchain cloud mining. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? August 29, 2025. 3 days ago. By Seed Fadil Pazik. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Is the altcoin market's new bullish momentum starting with XRP? 2 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 4 days ago. by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 1 hour ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 10 minutes ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 2 days ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2nd, 2025, by Ben Beto.